Hi guys, how are you guys? Today we are going to be reviewing the Chevy Silverado 2500 today. And so yeah, let's do this, and it's going to be a bass test. So we got the stock radio, nice speakers down there. And then we also got the subwoofer underneath the seat. So because we're in Mexico, so they can't see it. And so yeah, alright, let's turn it on. Alright guys, so I hope that was a pretty good demo. And now we're going to turn it off, the speakers, and we're only going to play the speaker system without the bass to show you. Yeah, okay, here it goes. And surprisingly, without the bass speakers, the mirrors still move. Check it out. Hopefully you guys can now turn it up. I hope that was a pretty good review of what my sound system in the truck sounds like. And yeah, join us next time for the next sound test in the truck. I don't know, my dad got mad at me because I ran the battery down really low, and yeah, so we're gonna turn the sound system down. So yeah, it sounds pretty cool though. And yeah, it's a good car in total. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it next time.